The Kazakh people hold many ancient legends close to their hearts. Among them, the Golden Warrior. A mighty nomad whose tribe once inhabited the vast valley between the Alatow and Karatau mountain peaks. He had 10 sons, and the youngest was born with locks that shone like gold. A boy so brave that every time he rode, he seemed to fly. In his armor of gold, to all who lived in the valley, he was the Golden Warrior. When the time came, he took his father's place and led his tribe to even more victories than ever before. A great beauty from another tribe fell in love with him, but her love was not returned. She was devastated by his rejection. Blinded by jealous fury, she plotted his death. The people bayed for her execution, but the elders sent her to the stake to show Kazakh compassion and generosity, saying, "Share bread with he who smites you." Thousands of horses were driven over the Golden Warrior's kurgan so that he would always know his people were as strong as ever. Centuries passed, and at last, the Golden Warrior returned to his people. The Golden Warrior. Legends of the Great Steppe of Kazakhstan.